Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 fire weather outlook. We have a thin, elevated fire weather risk today that encompasses parts of central New Mexico and a tiny part of west central Texas for the elevated fire weather risk. So, in synopsis, broad westerly mid-level flow across the central southern Rockies will maintain surface lee troughing over the adjacent high plains. In the lee of the higher terrain in east central New Mexico, downslope warming and drying amid a modest pressure gradient will yield 15-mile-per-hour sustained westerly surface winds with higher gusts and amid 15% relative humidity. Given dry fuel here, locally elevated fire weather conditions are expected during the afternoon. Farther east, strong, deep layer westerly flow within the base of a large-scale trough will overspread a relatively dry air mass over the mid-Atlantic. This will favor dry, breezy conditions across the region, and locally, elevated fire weather conditions are possible where any dry fuels exist, i.e., areas that missed out on substantial rainfall during the last week. So, that's your Day 1 fire weather outlook. Remain vigilant in these areas today, and if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and the battery-powered radio in the event they need to evacuate on a moment's notice. Okay? So, and please avoid outdoor burning. Please avoid outdoor burning. So, anyway, and do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, whether or not they're lit, okay? Because 1, that's littering. 2, one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. So, stay safe in these areas today, okay? So, yeah. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, stay safe today, and my Day 2 fire weather outlook will come out tonight. Take care.